What's up, my Nakid Besties? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Did you miss me? Of course I miss you guys. I've been super busy and I'm so sorry I haven't been able to upload. I just want to say thank you to everyone who stopped by on my live stream last weekend to celebrate with me my 5K subscriber milestone and giveaway. It was super fun, super amazing to see all of you on my live, and I'm definitely looking forward to the next milestone of 10K, and I'm hoping you guys would celebrate with me once again, and definitely we'll be doing another giveaway for that as well. So today we're going to be doing a tutorial, and it's super easy, super simple. This is going to take you about 30 minutes to 45 minutes to make. We're going to be making a activewear set, but we're gonna actually connect the top to the bottom. So yeah, let's get into it. If you have a activewear tights like this one laying around, go ahead and use it as your pattern, your mock-out. It's super easier to do that rather than just measuring from scratch. Just cleaning up the side here a little bit, and then we're gonna move on. Once you're done cutting the front part and pinning the front part of the pants, you're gonna now fold the fabric again and place the front part on top to cut the back part of the pants. To cut for the crotch of the back part of the pants, you're gonna go down 16 inches with your tape measure. If you are a size medium or medium large, you measure here 16 inches. So once you've done that, you're going to place it on the side. Take your sports bra, if you have a sports bra hanging around, and lay it on 4 layers of fabric. You folded it 4 times and make sure it's cut on fold. I spent quite a bit of time just shaping the top how I wanted to shape. So you can also do that because I want the part that's going to be connected to the pants. So I cut that out to shape it pretty good on the next fabric that I cut. Okay, now that you have all your top pieces cut out, you're gonna remove the top one and remove the bottom because this is gonna be the back of the top. So remove the bottom like this. It's already shaped nicely. Okay, now that we're done cleaning up the edges of our tops, we're now going to move to the serger first. You don't need a serger for this. As always, you can always just single stitch, but I like a clean look, especially when I'm doing something for a client. I use my serger. Be sure to turn your fabrics on the inside, which is face first, and then we're going to sew the elastic in. Pinning the fabric in place helps it from moving underneath the serger or the single stitch machine, so it keeps it in place. We're going to continue to add elastic throughout each parts of the top, which is the arms, the neckline, and also the waist. Now that we are done, we're going to turn the fabric inside out. To connect the front part of the top to the back part, we're not going to turn the back part inside out. We're just going to insert the front part into the back, connecting both straps first. Also at the sides, you're going to pin them in place. Let's move on to the bottom front of the pants crotch. You're going to flip the pants face first, like this, and then sew down the crotch. Now you will take both front of the pants and back of the pants at the inseam, pin it, and then sew the inseam from the ankle to the other end of the ankle. Now you're going to sew each of the outer sides of the pants. I measured my 1-inch elastic at 27 inches for the waist. This part I'm going to leave open to add the connected part of the top. But before doing that, let's close the straps in of the top. We're going to sew one side of this part, but we're going to leave a pocket so we can bring the top from the inside out. We'll pin the pocket closed for now and later on seal it off. Now I am adding the connecting part to the top at the waist. If you've enjoyed this tutorial so far, please go ahead and leave a comment in this comment section. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned to the end of the video for the final look. Thanks for watching, bestie. Bye.